Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ship Showcase from Admiral Fox. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bayern. This ship is not what it seems like, and I'm going to show you guys today. So I had a pretty hard time when I started to play the ship, and that's because I was playing it like a mini Bismarck. The thing is, it's not a mini Bismarck. Let me explain. So, German ships are known for their tankiness. Sorry. Unfortunately, Bayern is actually not a very tanky ship. Pretty sure it has the second lowest HP pool of any battleship of the tier, comparable with some like tier 7 cruisers HP pools. And the armor is honestly not that great. Neither is the torpedo protection. So it's much better to play this ship like a sniper or even an HE spammer, although I generally strongly discourage HE spamming in battleships. But it has good secondaries, right? Right? Actually, no. It does get auto secondaries. It's the first ship of the line to get auto secondaries. That's good. But the thing is, you only get 6 of them per side, 6 barrels total. And they fire out to about 3.5 kilometers. The range is terrible. The normal secondaries, it actually has less casemate secondaries than Koenig. It does have better AA defenses, so that is a pretty nice addition. The consumables are main battery accuracy booster and sonar. The sonar can be really helpful, but I feel like if a destroyer actually gets within your sonar range, you're not really going to be able to dodge in time. So I'm going to use sniper tactics in this game, and let's see how it goes. Nicholas there. Otsuki. Nicholas is turning around this island. He's probably going to turn out. I don't think he realizes I'm here yet. I missed. Missed when my secondaries come into play. They do deal a lot of damage, but they only have AP, which means they can overpen. And they can't set fires. And no, they don't have an option to switch to HE. They're AP only. Whose auto secondaries are those? Oh, it's the Vesser. What? Vesser, what are you doing? What are you doing, bruv? What are you doing, bruv? Oh, there's the enemy Vesser. What is it with Vesser players and always wanting to become part of the battle line? Vesser is not a frontline ship, okay? Don't play it like one. The casemate secondaries also have terrible range, if you want to know. Vesser is immediately regretting joining the battle line because he's getting torped by the Matsuki, who wasted his torps on the Vesser instead of torpedoing me, who is definitely the bigger threat here. There. Me and Vesser finished him off with secondaries. Shot down another plane. In, like, Kaiser, you would never get that kind of AA results. 1v1 versus Derflinger? I think I can manage. This ship is only good when it has a full consumables build, and, on its commander, and advanced consumables. He's doing a good job angling. Oh, found a better target. See ya. Oh, please, I don't get rewarded for tanking. My auto secondaries can't even fire yet because the range is so terrible. Now, I don't think Vesser is going to be changing course. Oh, he is. I underestimated him. Blitz isn't like the other versions where you can switch between the view of your rear guns and the view of your front guns. It always stays at the view that you would get if you're in the rangefinder, or between the two rangefinders. Blind firing aircraft carriers. Nope. Okay. I managed to deal some damage to the enemy team before going down. 34k damage. 5 aircraft destroyed. That's my best in a tier 6 game, I think. Yeah, that's how the average game in Bayern goes. It does lead to much better things, but honestly, Bayern by itself is just like in like Legends and PC, it's really good because their like armor actually matters. But in this ship, in this version, like it's just different. It's just different in this version. That QE is doing a better job of tanking than I was. The only reason he went down quicker is because he was getting shot at by more ships. Dino Nays. At least I managed to destroy that Marblehead. QE was the top of my team. So yeah, Vesser is not what it seems like. I would say definitely play it as a sniper or a flank guarder. Don't play it as a brawler. It will not do well. You saw how well it did in that battle. Definitely did not deal well as a brawler. It's not a bad ship. It's a good ship. It just doesn't have the tools to fulfill the role that wargaming had originally set for it. I am planning to grind all the way up to Großer Kur first on the German battleship line. So it does definitely lead to better things, and it is definitely a worthy ship to buy. Just know that its playstyle is not the same as the rest of the German battleships at all. By the way, sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was on like a little mini vacation over the weekend. I will be releasing a how to win battles in World of Warships Blitz video soon. So, if you want to know how to win in Bayern, watch that video. I'll be posting it very soon. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you. Bye.